Let's unbox the MSI Expert OC edition of the RTX 5080 and take a look at its design and features. This particular unit isn't new, but all accessories should be intact. Let's take a look at the box first. It is quite large. Here are some of the features that MSI want to highlight: advanced vapor chamber, core pipes, optimized fin design. Beautiful presentation. Take a look at that. Expert. There's a thick foam padding over here at the top. The graphics card is packed in an anti-static bag. And here is the accessories box. Let's see what we have in here. Alright, that's the standard MSI GPU support stand with a nice rubber pad at the top as well as at the bottom. And this one has a magnet. That magnet helps to keep that GPU support stand nice and stable inside of a case. There we go. But this thing is made from plastic, so it doesn't feel particularly premium, but it does look nice. They could have fooled me. It does look like it could be metal, so I guess good job there. What else do we have here? Oh, a power adapter, 3 8-pins to a single 16-pin connector that this graphics card uses. So if you have an older power supply with 8-pin connectors, you can still use this graphics card. This is a beautiful, sophisticated all-metal design. The entire shroud, as well as the backplate, it's all metal. Nice. Yes. Beautiful. This is like a Rolls-Royce of graphics cards. Take a look at this grille. There are very few logos on this thing, and they are minimalistic. GeForce RTX, MSI over here, nice and tasteful. Nothing is screaming gaming on this graphics card. It whispers elegance. In terms of display connectivity, we get the latest and greatest connections: 3 DisplayPort 2.1 and 1 HDMI 2.1. for a maximum of 4 displays. Let's remove this PCIe connector cover. Take a look at that. The heatsink is fully encased into the metal shroud. There are no gaps where we can take a look at it, with the exception of these fan cutouts. This is a big heatsink with a sophisticated cooling design, and all components are actively cooled, including the power delivery system. The components are cooled by one large fan at the front of the card and one large fan at the back. This one is pulling the air upwards. So if your GPU is sitting inside of a case, that's a nice airflow to have, actually. What we don't see very often these days is that this graphics card actually has a functional cutout for active cooling over here. This fan pushes the air and some of the hot air will escape through here. This is a 360 watt graphics card. Power is delivered via the single 16-pin connector at the top. MSI recommends an 850 watt power supply for this graphics card. This thing weighs 1.9 kilograms, which is expected because it has a full metal body. Let's measure it. That's 319 millimeters long and 150 millimeters tall, precisely 150. Here is how it looks inside of a PC. I'm in love with it. It works so well with the rest of the components I have in here. Check it out. So good. By the way, I'm not worried about leaving this graphics card without any GPU support. I'm not even using that one right there that I have built into my PC case. It is fine. It is absolutely secure and fine without the GPU support. It's fairly compact for an RTX 5080. It's not too long and it's not too thick. It takes up exactly 3 slots. A full review of this graphics card will be up on my channel, so if you want to see noise test, thermals, as well as other stuff, then check it out at the link in the description below. But for now, let me know, what do you think about this graphics card and the way it looks? I'm in love with this design. It looks nice, in my opinion. And if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to reward my work with a like. And subscribe for more videos like this if you haven't already. It was I, Vadim. Until next time.